Han's crazy single turbo beast.
This is gonna be fun, guys.
Oh man. Do you normally drive this car pretty hard?
Not really.
This is actually insane. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wong, and today we've got two very special guests. We've got Han over here. How are you, bro? And we've got Eric. And these guys have some of the craziest cars. We're out here in Sydney, and take a look at this site. Like, it is actually unreal. Both black, both extremely unique in terms of the build. This is like a full showcase of RX7 ownership. This is gonna be sick, guys. So yeah, I put you guys on the spot. All right, let's talk about. Go first.
Me?
Yeah, you want to go first? All right, let's do it, man. So how long have you owned this car for, man?
Just over a year.
Just over a year? Okay, and you bought it pretty much...
It was pretty much stock.
Okay.
Yeah.
I heard you're running a big fat single.
Yeah, I am.
Man, take us to the front of this thing, man. This looks sick. So, KF's,
Yeah.
crazy fit, man. It's so clean, man. So, it didn't have RE side skirts or anything?
Nah, it didn't have anything. Yeah, got cups as well.
You've got air cups?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this is like as low as it gets, or?
Yeah, pretty much. I don't want to go to the back.
What do you think of his car, Eric? Do you like it? Lower?
Lower.
So who's actually lower right now?
Actually, I can't even tell.
They look the same, but like very, very different as well. This is actually a crazy sight. So, air cups, single turbo,
Yeah.
big cooler at the front. So that's kind of different, right? Because people normally run like V-mount.
Oh yeah, I mainly just got the front because
It looks sick,
better. Yeah.
Show us your engine bay, bro. So both FDs, as you guys all know, run the 13B turbocharged rotary engine. How has rotary ownership been for you? It might be different for Eric, but I'm gonna ask you first. Has it been reliable?
Somewhat, but
Yeah.
I did have a rear main seal leak.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Was that a big issue, or?
it wasn't a big issue, but it was kind of expensive, I guess.
Dude, that looks sick. Holy.
That's clean.
Do you
No,
like that?
Maybe don't show my engine bay because it's so dirty.
Oh man, I think you're gonna win this engine bay competition.
That's for sure, man.
Can you tell us a little bit about what you've done here?
Just pretty much it's pretty simple. Just do a
Pretty simple, yeah.
single turbo conversion.
He's like, what the hell?
I just spent a bit more extra in case anything fails in the future.
Yeah, man. This looks grouse. And you're running a big precision turbo here. What model is this?
It's a 6870.
6870, and I guess the question everybody wants to know is, how much power are you pushing?
Probably around 330, 340.
330 on E85?
No, 98.
98. Is that kilowatt?
Yeah.
At the wheels?
Yeah.
That's bloody quick. Wow. Actually insane. And in the interior, it's pretty much standard?
Pretty much standard. I only just changed the steering wheel and the shifter, and it's just got a filler gauge.
Easy,
Pretty dirty, though.
That's all good, man. We love the FD interior. Now that's cool, man. Still, I can't believe you're running this stance, that kind of power, and you've only had this car for what, 1 year?
Yeah.
That's actually insane. So sick. And you've got any more plans for the FD moving forward?
Eventually, I want to go 20B or
20B. So we have to see how this car is like to drive a little bit later on.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be pretty exciting, especially with all that power, hey? Yeah. Nah, awesome, man. So I think it's your time to shine.
Alright, the car is pretty much stock. Like for
Stock, yeah?
making 235 kilowatt at the wheels right now.
On 98?
Oh, a 98. Yeah. All I got was like a dump pipe and just get it tuned to run it properly.
Yeah, man. I can see you've done pretty much full aesthetics as well.
The bumper.
Yeah.
I got literally no idea what it was.
You've got no idea.
No.
Do you know what it is?
No, I don't.
I posted up online in Japan, everything, and no one know what it was, and pretty unique. So I just keep it on my car.
You've got the hottest wheel right now on the planet. Flintstone 3s.
Yeah, I spent my whole life saving on that.
Really?
Pretty much. So I bought the car for around 27 grand.
Jeez, and this was like 3-4 years ago?
3.5 years, sort of.
Man.
Yeah. And the wheels cost half the car.
Half the car.
So I spent around
Jesus.
13k on the wheels.
What are the offsets and sizes? Like quite similar to Han's setup.
It's 1811 all round
1811 all round.
in a stock body.
What?
Yeah.
How do you fit them?
If it fits it, I got no idea. It's running
Yeah.
-8 all round as well.
-8. It doesn't look like it, to be honest. It looks.
It doesn't look like it, but
Yeah. And you're running a similar setup as well?
Yeah, but I'm on 19s.
19. So let me know which you guys prefer in terms of Blitz or KS. So why the Blitz?
it's my dream wheels and my dream car, so I might as well put it together. So the exhaust system,
Yeah.
it's pretty much straight pipe.
Yeah, sick.
I got a diffuser on, installed it myself.
Rocket Bunny?
Yeah, Rocket Bunny.
That's different. I like that.
Yeah, I know. I still have the hatch and the stock wing at home.
Oh, okay. So
I
you've got a new
bought a
hatch.
new hatch. This is an Australian hatch,
Right.
and just put it on.
It looks
and
good,
Strap
man.
on the wing.
It looks like a very stancy car. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna bag it soon.
Oh, okay.
Eventually.
Okay, that's good. That's
yeah,
good.
eventually. I already order it. Everything ready.
That fitment
Yeah.
is tidy. So what about your engine bay and your interior?
Interior
stock or?
Interior is stock, but when I bought the car, it came with carbon fiber,
Oh.
and it's like bad. So I resprayed it. Got likewise
Ah,
what do you call it? Yeah.
definitely good from factory.
Yeah, it is. I probably prefer the stock seat than this, but pretty much stock.
It's like OEM factory.
Yep.
Still standard turbos.
Standard turbo, and then a dump pipe and a tune.
Yeah.
And that was it.
So you're pushing roughly
230.
how much?
235.
235
Yeah.
on 98.
Yeah, 98.
And
Mine still handle pretty
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
has the car been reliable for you with the twins?
I never had an issue with the car.
Really?
Yeah, so I had plenty of daily already.
Yeah.
I had Chaser, I had Evo, so all that car broke down on me.
Really?
Yeah.
And a rotary hasn't.
And the rotaries might become my daily.
Actually, your daily.
Yeah, not really, not now. But before, my daily breakdown, so I had to drive this car as my daily.
Have you had any issues like that?
Nah, it's actually been fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, just gonna maintain it.
Yeah, that's crazy, guys. Like, there's been so much flack about rotary ownership, but I guess this goes to show you that two owners with crazy FDs still find it completely fine.
It's my
collection. It has been so sick checking out these cars. We're gonna go take them out on the road and see how they drive. I think it's very, very cool to see two different FDs of similar style, but also very different. One single, one twin. Guys, stay tuned. This video is going to be epic. Alright guys, today we're going to get feasting on some RX7 goodness. First, we're going to jump into Eric's car. This is essentially a stock FD with stock twins, stock motor. Hey, stock motor. Nah, man, it's going to be cool. But on the outside, this thing is absolutely crazy. So you've got air cups in here.
air cups running.
Oh man, that's
to get
a very, very neat look. So you can hear the compressor going off. This car is actually straight piped, but it's still running the stock port on the engine. So no bridge port, no extended port. So do you normally drive your car pretty hard?
Oh no, I take my time.
No? You take your time.
I take my time.
Man, it sounds sick with all those noises going on. Okay, that's sick. Far out. The noise is in this thing. When I'm sitting in this FD, it feels like I'm on the ground. That bus is like humongous next to us. Let's do it. Hey, this thing boogies, man.
It's alright for a stock car.
You've just got a tune on it or what?
Ages ago, as soon as I got the car, I got the twin.
Man, that feels sick.
Yeah, I like the twin, it pull hard.
The twin is like so smooth, and you've got torque from down low. Being the sequential setup, you've got one small turbo and then one big one up top. Just the best for street driving, hey. bloody sick, bro. What, 230?
230.
On 98 octane. Just shows you a stock FD is just so good out of the gates. And guys, it looks that good as well. You've got a lot of plans for this car as well in terms of like the mechanics, like the motor and everything.
For sure, yeah.
Man, there are so many speed bumps out here. Sydney just has so many things on the road, hey. Yeah. Obstacles everywhere. Sick, though. It sounds so good when the off valve just hits. God damn. What's it like to drive? Pretty good?
Yeah, I love it.
Is this
handle well? There's nothing wrong with it. That doesn't rock. Nothing.
Is this like your favorite car that you've ever owned? You don't even have to be going fast in this thing, which is like the beauty of this car. You get the noise of the rotary. Yeah, man. It's just like telling you to go, hey. Oh man, I don't know if you guys can see Han's FD just chilling behind. Huge kudos to Eric for building such a clean car. And guys, many more episodes on Eric's FD to come on his Instagram, so be sure to check it out. We're gonna go jump into Han's car now and have a little taste of some single turbo action and find out which one feels, I guess, more fun, better. We'll have to see. Do you like the single turbo setup?
I love it. It look good, but we'll see.
We'll see. We'll have to see. Have you been in Han's car?
Nah, never.
Man, you guys have to do a swap soon.
I know. We have to swap it out. Oh, I gotta tell you.
Oh, you gotta tell? Thank you, brother. Oh man. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, that was a bit unfortunate, but guys, jumping from this FD into Han's crazy single turbo beast. Hey man, how was the drive?
It's good.
It's good, man. So Han, he's kind of similar to Han from Fast and Furious. Do you get that a lot?
Yeah, I do.
Do you like that or?
Yeah. It's not bad.
So what's your real name? Was that a
Gordon.
Gordon.
Yeah.
Damn, that's cool, man. But we'll call you Han. I'm just gonna get strapped up, guys. This FD has how much power are you pushing?
330.
330 on 98. So if you went,
I went
E85, 400
Yeah.
all day. Right. This is gonna be fun, guys. Let's go. Let's see if Eric can keep up. So do you normally drive this car pretty hard?
Not really.
Not really.
It's like of the 19s.
You're running 19s, As he says, he doesn't drive this car hard. Dude, this thing sounds sick. What the heck? Okay, I'm guessing this is like an extended port.
No, stock.
Stock.
It's stock motor.
It's popping like you're popping popcorn back there, bro. Or up there. What the heck? You've got air cups as well. So very similar build. Oh man, it sounds like we got like NOS or something going on. This is sick. Yo! Dude! Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that just like the funnest thing you've ever driven?
Yeah. I used to drive a FB.
FB?
Yeah.
RX7?
Yeah, I still have it, but I just don't drive it now.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
What is this like compared to your FB? Dude, this thing sounds
completely different. Try to go
godly.
which I don't know.
Anyway, bro.
Oh, maybe I should have gone that way.
We'll do it after, bro. This thing pulls like absolutely crazy. Jesus. Oh no. I see a clear road. Oh no. Oh god. Dude, these are 19s and it's slammed. This car is literally on its holy moly.
Do you want me to keep driving or?
Oh man, yeah. Dude, that was sick. Oh my lord. the heck is this, man? Oh my god, I'm sorry, Eric. I think single is good. Oh shit. Yo, my god.
I feel like we're gonna get complaints now.
Sorry?
I feel like we're gonna get complaints now.
Oh yeah, let's get out of here, bro. Holy crap. Okay, this is actually insane, man. I think definitely for a fun, fast car, single turbo all the way, hands down, no brainer. For a street car, just putting around town, I think definitely twins.
Yeah. What do you want to do? Do you want to keep going or?
Yeah, let's have a break, man. That was sick. I think we'll just stop for a bit. Holy crap. Man, thanks so much for allowing me to showcase this thing. This was absolutely sick, bro.
You want to drive?
Can I?
Yeah.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, brother. I got 3% left. Alright, let's do it. You ever let anyone drive your car?
My girlfriend like once or twice, a few times.
Is that me? No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Yeah, it is.
Oh man, okay, let's see how we go. So just like a stock FD, hey,
Yeah.
with just single turbo. Is this height okay?
Yeah.
Is the right height and everything okay? So we've got like 2% battery left on the car. Oh, sorry.
On the camera.
On the camera. I can't speak right now. Literally, you took me for the ride of the century. That was sick, man. I can't believe this thing drives like that slam.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to do to this car?
Honestly, I'm really happy with where it's at now. So.
Man, the noise. I think from the way that it handled from just the passenger seat,
Yeah.
it spoke volumes about this car. Sorry,
You got used to that right now?
Yeah. This is so sick. It feels like this car just wants to be
Pushed.
on song, yeah? How much power does this make?
330.
330 on 98.
Yeah.
It just feels like it's like 400.
Does it?
Yeah, honestly.
I was thinking like it felt kind of slow.
I can, oh my god. I can understand why people love the FD, but everything that you've done just made it even crazier.
Yeah.
Do you miss the twins?
Not really.
Yeah, I don't think you'd miss the twins with a setup like this.
No.
Hey. Man, just before my battery dies, I just want to say a huge thank you to Han or Gordon, however you like to be called, man. This car was absolutely crazy.
No worries.
Thanks so much for letting me drive and showcase it. Be sure to check out all his crazy content on his Instagram. Thank you so much,
No
man.
worries.
Appreciate it, bro.
Anytime.
What a crazy experience. Man, I just want to say a huge shout out to Eric and Gordon, Han, for letting me showcase their cars. Today was absolutely sick. Massive shout out, man. Thank you again, bro. Hey, thank you so much again for today, bro.
Nah, that's all.
Guys, really appreciate you guys tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out my boys' cars, some of the craziest FDs out here. Consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.